AMC Theatres sets reopening date and new health guidelines for going to the movies. New York AMC Theatres, the world's largest movie theater owner, announced Thursday that it is set to reopen its more than 600 U.S. theaters next month with new safety and health measures to help curb the spread of coronavirus. The company said it will begin a multi-phase reopening on July 15, adding that it expects to be nearly fully operational by the July 24 premiere of Disney's Mulan. The chain, which closed its locations earlier this year because of the coronavirus pandemic, said it will be implementing a health and sanitation program it calls AMC Safe Clean. From the moment we made the decision back in March to temporarily shutter our theaters, we immediately began to formulate a comprehensive, effective, and responsible health and sanitation plan which would allow us to move forward, Aron, AMC CEO, said in a statement on Thursday. This has been the core element to all of our discussions about again opening our doors to moviegoers. Aron added that AMC was advised by the Clorox Company and current and former faculty of Harvard University's School of Public Health while developing the measures. The program will have multiple safety and health measures, including initially capping movie showtimes at 30% seating capacity, cleaning every theater between each show, disinfecting seating areas nightly, using electrostatic sprayers, temporarily reducing menu selections at its concession stands, upgrading its ventilation systems in its theaters, requiring every AMC employee to wear masks while in the theater. The company said that in any area of the country where masks are mandatory, AMC will abide by that ordinance and guests will be required to wear masks. And in areas of the country where masks are not compulsory, AMC says it will strongly encourage guests to wear them. The movie theater industry has been ravaged by coronavirus. Earlier this month, AMC reported a net loss of $2.17 billion in its first quarter and said revenue fell about 22% to $941.5 million compared to $1.2 billion in the same quarter last year. After a painful almost 4-month hiatus due to the coronavirus, we are delighted to announce that movies are coming back to the big screen at AMC, Aron said in a statement on Thursday. AMC plans to show older films until new ones are released. Disney's Mulan is scheduled to be followed by Warner Bros. Tenet, a twisty thriller from director Christopher Nolan, on July 31. The company also said that Phase 2 of its reopening, which will begin when AMC deems it to be acceptable given local and regional health conditions, will hit a capacity of 40%. By Labor Day it expects that to be at 50% in full capacity by Thanksgiving. AMC also announced that it would implement seat blocking in its theaters by blocking out seating next to, in front of or behind moviegoers depending on what type of theater they are in. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.